Universe School, Sri Vedada Universe School. I am Kamala and this is your English class. In our previous class we have read the lesson. I explained you the lesson by reading. Have you read the lesson? Many times I told you just read the lesson. Very interesting or not? Yes. And is it easy to read the lesson? Yes. And what are you going to learn in this lesson? I told you. You are going to learn about adjectives. I told you even what is an adjective. Adjective is nothing but a word which tells more about the noun, describes the noun. Now we tell about a person. He is a boy. He is a good boy. Now how we are telling more about the boy that he is a good boy. Good. ఇంకా అబ్బాయి గురించి అబ్బాయి చాలా మంచివాడు గుడ్ అని చెప్పాం. సో telling more about the noun like that. This is a chair. This is a black chair. Means you get a picture of okay that chair is black in color. If I say this is a chair, you can just get a picture of a chair. But if I say this is a black chair, then you say yes it is a black in color. This is a board. Okay, you'll tell that a board, but it is a black board, means it's black in color. So telling about more about the noun, it is the adjective. Usually adjective comes before noun only. Okay, that one you remember. And దాని గురించి చెప్తున్నట్టు ఉంటే ఆ word, then it is the adjective. He is a bad boy, he is a good boy, he is a strong boy. It is a heavy box, it is a light box. Like that. Box is just noun, but heavy ante we are telling that that box is very heavy. It is a light box, means we are telling that box is very light. Like that we are telling more, describing, means we can know more about the noun. Okay, that girl is a very beautiful, means that she is a girl but she is very beautiful, means we get a picture of a very beautiful girl. That girl is wearing a wonderful dress or frock. Then we see okay she is very nice frock, let us see, go and see how she is. Like that, telling more about the noun, we get more clarity about that noun. More, we can know more about the noun. I hope all of you know what is a noun. When I am talking about noun, means it's the name of a person, thing, place or anything. Adi noun ante edo anukokandi. Noun is nothing but a name of anything. Chair ante that is noun. Table, that is noun. So we are telling more about the noun, that is an adjective. Now let us see what is given here. Here usually when we are talking about adjectives, sometimes if you know to see a dictionary, you can see for one word it can be a noun, it can be also an adjective. Now let us take the color. Color, let us take blue. Let us take blue. Blue is the color. If I am telling blue pencil, if I say blue pencil, then blue is adjective. If I am telling blue pencil, it is a blue pencil, then blue is adjective. But sometimes blue can also be noun. It can be a name of something, like blue is a color. When I tell about blue is a color, then blue is a noun. Like that, here blue is, now when it's a blue shirt, then blue is adjective. So sometimes when we are telling about the color name, it can be sometimes noun and it can sometimes be adjective. So how to identify it, whether it's a noun or adjective? When it comes before a noun, it is an adjective, or tells about the noun, then it is an adjective. This is easily to identify. Usually adjective ఎప్పుడు noun పక్కనే ఉంటుంది లేదా noun గురించి చెప్తూ ఉంటుంది. Then that word is adjective. But let us see. Blue is a color. If I say blue is a color. Now blue is a color. This one is a sentence. Now here blue. Blue is noun. Okay. It is a blue shirt. It is a blue shirt. Now we are telling that the shirt is blue. Here blue is adjective. Like that you have to, you read many sentences, then only you only can easily know which is the adjective. So that's given here. Blue is a color, then blue is a noun. It's a blue shirt, blue is an adjective. Now let us see. Now again in this page it's given about adjectives what I have explained right now, and they are given some pictures. Under the pictures there are some sentences. First let us read what are the sentences and see which one is the adjective in these sentences. Then again there is some more rule over here. Now what is the first picture? He is a young boy. We can say he is a boy, but we are telling he is a young boy. When we are saying he is a young boy, what does it mean? If we say he is a boy, he can be a small boy, big boy, any. But when we are saying he is a young boy, we know ventane in our mind what picture do we get? He is young means chinna abbayi anamata, young. Okay, so young is the adjective here. Now next, can you see what is that picture? Do you know what is it? What is it called in English? Have you learnt it? Tamarind. Chintakayalu. Chintakayalu is tamarind. So what is the taste of it? What is the taste? Even taste is also adjective. What is the taste of tamarind? Sour in taste. You know what is sour? Sour is S-O-U-R. Sour means it's pulpu. Even lemon is sour, no? Sour means pulpu. So it is a sour fruit. It's given here. What is it? It's a sour fruit. So what kind of fruit it is? Sour. Usually what we question the noun with what, then we get the adjective. What kind of fruit it is? Sour. So sour is the adjective. Now in the next picture you can see a small bird. It's a sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird. We can say sparrow is a bird. Sparrow is a bird and anachu gani sparrow is a small bird and ventane you get the picture of a very small bird. Otherwise it can be any bird, big one, small one, medium one, any. But we are telling more about the noun that it is a small. So small is adjective. He is a young boy, young is adjective. It is a sour fruit, sour is adjective. Sparrow is a small bird, small is adjective. Now let us see the next line. Bear, it's not beer children, it's bear, B-E-A-R is here, E-A gives a, like in head, A sound, bear. Bear is a wild animal. Now we can say bear is an animal, but here we are saying bear is a wild animal. By telling wild, what do you know? What can you know by saying wild? If we say bear is an animal, it can be domestic animal or wild animal. You have learned what are wild animals and domestic animals. So when we say bear is a wild animal, means it lives in a forest. So we are telling about it. Next, you can see here an old woman. She is a kind woman. How she is kind? Kind means very good. So kind. Here what is the adjective? Kind. Next, last one. It is a beautiful flower. How is the flower? We can say it is a flower. By seeing the picture, what you say? It is a flower. But they are saying it is a beautiful flower. So we are telling more about the flower. So what is the adjective? Beautiful. So I think now you can understand. You understood what are the adjectives. So sometimes they can be also numbers, like colors and numbers. When we are talking about the colors and numbers, like the color, sometimes numbers can also be adjective and also noun. Let us see. There are 7 rooms in the house. Now we are telling there is one house. In that house there are 7 rooms. There are 7 rooms in that house. So we are telling about the rooms. How many are there? 7. So here it is adjective or noun? It is an adjective because we are telling about the noun, about the rooms, that there are 7. Now let us see. Here you can see a plate, and in that plate there are some mangoes. Now let us see. There are 6 mangoes on the plate. Here also how many mangoes are there? 6. So here also 6 is adjective only. Here 6 is an adjective. Here also 6 is adjective. Here also 7 is an adjective. So sometimes when we say 7 is a number, then it is a noun. Like blue is a color, 7 is a number, then it can be a noun. So it is about these 2 pages is this one. And now I just explained these 2 pages. But here there is given something, speaking skills. In every lesson you have the speaking skills. But right now you are not coming to school, we are not in the class. Usually this one has to be taken in the class. We ask one by one student to stand up and talk about something. But now you can talk at home with your brother, sister, parents or anyone. Now let us see what you have to talk about. What is your favorite color? Everyone has one's favorite color. So they are asking what is your favorite color? Which is your favorite pencil in this story? In this story, which is your favorite pencil? Means there are 7 colors. So in these 7 colors, which do you think is your favorite one? Think for a couple of minutes and talk about it in the class. Now this one usually I told you have to talk in the class. Means what is your favorite color and which is the favorite pencil in this story for you. So for that one they ask you to think for some time and then talk about it in the class. Include situation mentioned in the story too. So there are some situations given, means which color what can then draw. Using your color means your favorite color, what you can draw with that color, what you like to draw with that color, you have to discuss. Right now you can just discuss with your friends or family members or anyone, so that just to improve your speaking skills. So that is about these 2 pages, children, 52 and 53. So what is today's homework? Today's homework is under the picture you have sentences. These sentences 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences only. Write one time and underline the adjective. Okay, children? Homework. Write. Read pages 52, 53 and write page 53 under picture sentences I am giving. Under picture sentences one time in notebook. Okay, children, I hope all of you understood what I meant. Like every time I am giving like this only. The sentences which are given under the picture you have to write one time in your notebook, and also read the pages 52 and 53. Read, so that I told you, if you read by yourself you can understand it more. You can get more points from what I have explained. After explaining, if you read, you can understand it more clearly. Okay, children, that's for today. In our next class we'll see more about the adjectives. Have a nice day and goodbye, children.